Front rotor removal, 2000 Ford F150, two-wheel drive with tapered roller bearings. Recommended tools will be a hammer and a chisel, or a flathead screwdriver may work. Also a pair of side cutters, and also a pair of channel locks. Start by removing the dust cover. You can either pry it off with a flathead screwdriver, or you may need to use a hammer and a chisel. Work your way around the circumference until it pops loose. With the dust cover removed, you now have access to the cotter pin. We used a pair of side covers to remove it. With the cotter pin removed, you can remove the retaining clip. You can use a pair of channel locks to loosen the retaining nut. It should not be on there tight. With the retaining nut removed, you can remove the rotor and front bearing from the spindle. It's recommended that you replace the seal and repack the bearings when you install the rotor on your vehicle. You can use this method to remove the rear bearing and seal. Reinstall the rotor and the front retaining nut only. With the retaining nut installed, pull forward on the rotor while catching the rear bearing and seal. They should pop out the back. If they don't, repeat the procedure until they do.